Welcome to Vysh IAS YouTube channel and to the Plums, a free UPSC MCQ series. So today is August 12, 2023, episode number 251, and we are going to deal MCQs related to CSAT, Math, Aptitude and Reasoning part. So as part of Plums, daily 5 MCQs from different subjects will be dealt. So if you practice the right way, then no one can stop you from clearing the exam. And there are lots of free content which is already there in the channel. You can get access to this content only when you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon and save this number 7200681675. This is the WhatsApp number, so you can WhatsApp UPSC free to this number, and you can get foundational videos for preparing for UPSC exam, and also you can get details regarding test series and other doubts regarding the channel and etc. So now let's solve MCQ number 1. Two shopkeepers announces the same price of rupees 700 for a shirt. The first offers successive discounts of 30% and 6%, while the second offers successive discounts of 20% and 16%. The shopkeeper that offers better discount charges how many rupees less than the other shopkeeper? Okay, we know that the formula for the successive discount is nothing but there is a formula A plus B minus AB by 100. So this is the successive discount formula. So sorry, AB by 100. 100 is for only AB. A is nothing but in the first case 30, and 6 minus 30 into 6 by 100. 36 minus 180 by 100. If you solve this, 0 0 get cancelled. 36 minus 1.8 is nothing but 34.2%. Okay. In the first case, 34.2% is the discount, and in the second case, 20 plus 16 minus 20 into 16 by 100. Okay, 36 minus 0 0 gets cancelled. 2 5s are 16 by 5. If you further solve it, you will get it as 32.8%. So the better discount is given in the first case because 34.2% is given. So the better discount is 34.2 minus the second discount is 32.8. the difference in the discount is 1.4. okay, 1.4% of the 700 is nothing but the final value that they have asked. Okay, 14%. Let me take the other color. Okay, 1.4% of 700 is nothing but 14 by 10 into 100 into 700. 0 0 get cancelled. Okay, if you further solve it, you'll get it as 9.8. 9.8, that is option number D is the correct answer for MCQ number 1. Now let's take the second question. If n is any positive integer, okay, then n cube minus 1 is always divisible by 12, never divisible by 12, always divisible by 6, never divisible by 6. So if n is a positive integer, then n cube minus n can be written as, one second. Okay, n cube minus n can be written as n minus 1, okay, into n plus 1, because if you solve this you will get the same value, n cube minus n. So when n is a positive integer, that is the product of 3 consecutive integers, right? N minus 1, n and n plus 1, these are the 3 consecutive integers. It's a positive integer and it's a product of 3 consecutive integers. Then for any number, if n is equal to 2 or greater than 2, the product will have a factor of 6 in it. So let's take any number, you will get the product, the factor of 6 in it. So when there are 2 prime numbers in a product, then the third number will always be divisible by 6. This is something that you have to remember by heart. Okay, when 2 prime numbers in a product, if there are 2 prime numbers in a product, and the third number will always be divisible by 6, or the product will have a factor of 6. So option C is the correct answer, always divisible by 6. Now let's solve MCQ number 3. Okay, in a stockpile of products produced by 3 machines, M1, M2 and M3, 40% and 30% were manufactured by M1 and M2 respectively. 3% of the products of M1 are defective, 1% of the product of M2 are defective, while 95% of the products of M3 are not defective. What is the percentage of defective products in the stockpile? Okay, so the total manufactured products are 100, because 40 is by M1, 30 is by M2. Here question is missing 30% by M3. Okay, 30% by M3. So 40 plus 30 plus 30 is nothing but 100. So 100 products will be made by all of these three. Okay, the defective prices for M1. Sorry, let me do the question once again. So the 40% and 30% are manufactured by M1, M2 and M3. Okay, so let's take the total products as 100. So the M1 manufactures 40 products, M2 manufactures 30 products and M3 will manufacture 30 products. Out of this 40, 3% of the products are defective in the M1 case. Okay, 3% of the products are defective. So let's take the total value of the products as 1000 so that it will be easy, right? Whatever it may be, it will be same. So let's take it as 100 only. I'm sorry. So out of this 100, 40 is manufactured by M1, 30 by M2 and 30 by M3. So the defective pieces of M1 are, so 3% of the M1. 3% is nothing but 3 by 100 into 40, that is 120 by 100. And the second case is 1% by M2. 1% is nothing but 30 by 100. The final value will be 30 by 100. And the 95 products of M3 are not defective. It means 5% are defective. 5 into 3 is 15. So 150 by 100 will be the defective products of M3. So the total defective products are 120 plus 30 plus 150 by 100. Okay. 150 plus 150, that is 300 by 100. That is 3% of the total. Right. 300 by, let me write it once again. The total defective products are 120 by 100 plus 30 by 100 plus 150 by 100. If you solve this, 120 plus 30 is 150, 150 plus 150 is 300 by 100. So 3 products are defective. So the total products are 100. Out of 100, 3 are defective, means 3% of the products are defective. So option is the correct answer. Now let's solve MCQ number 4. There are 6 boxes numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each box is to be filled up either with a white ball or a black ball in such a manner that at least one box contains a black ball and all the boxes containing black balls are consecutively numbered. The total number of ways in which this can be done is, okay. So the total ways when 6 boxes have only black ball is 1. Total ways in which all the 6 boxes will have black balls is 1. There is only one way. The total ways, so let me write 6 boxes having black balls is 1. The total cases. The total ways in which 5 boxes will have black balls is 2 ways, right? 5 boxes will have black balls is 2 ways. And the total ways in which 4 boxes will have black balls is 3 ways. The third case is 3 ways. And the fourth case where total ways in which 2 boxes will have black box is 5 ways. And the total ways in which only 1 box will have black balls is 6 ways. So how these ways are counted, I'll tell you now. Okay. There are only, so for example, there are 6 boxes, right? In the first case, what we have told, total ways in which 6 boxes will have black balls is 1. Because if 6 boxes are filled, it means there is only one way, right? Only at least one ball should be filled in each box and it should be black or white. If all the boxes are filled by black, it means there is only one way. So if you take the second case where the 6 boxes should be out of the 6 boxes, only 5 boxes will have black balls, and such that there should be a consecutive boxes only. So the condition, it should be consecutively numbered, right? So if you take black box in this, black ball in this, black ball in this, black ball in this, black ball in this, this is first case, right? And the second case is black ball in this, black ball in this, black ball in this, black ball in this, black ball in this. This is the second case. There are 2 ways. In the same way, we have to do a trial and error method with 4 boxes where black balls are filled, 3 boxes where black balls are filled, 2 boxes where black balls is filled, 1 box where black balls can be filled. So the total ways of putting a black ball such that will be, so we have got number of ways as 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 and plus 6. So So the total value will be 21. So 21 is the correct answer for MCQ number 4. Now let's solve. This is MCQ number 5. I'm sorry. Let me write it. So this is MCQ number 5. Suraj got an order for the manufacture of 480 denim shirts. He bought 12 sewing machines and appointed some expert tailors to do the job. However, many didn't report to the duty. As a result, each of those who did had to stitch 32 more shirts than original planned by the Suraj, with equal distribution of work. How many tailors had been appointed earlier and how many had not reported for the work? So according to the question, suppose he appointed X persons for the duty and Y of them didn't come, and then the work done by each of them increases by 32 as per the question. So out of the 480 denim shirts, X minus Y people have to work, right? Minus 480 by originally it is to be stitched by X persons, right? So the difference between these two is nothing but 32 as per the question. Okay, it is increasing by 32. So the difference between these two is nothing but 32. So we can check options by putting in the above equation. So if you take the option number, I have told from the bottom up approach in the last sessions, where we have to check from the bottom option. So if you take 10, 9, 4, whether it will satisfy this equation or not, let's check. Okay, I'm writing the final equation once again. 480 by X minus Y minus 480 by X is equal to 32. X value is given as 10 and Y value is 4. 10 minus 4 is nothing but 6. 480 by 10 is equal to 32. Okay, 6 is a 48. 80 minus 48, its value is nothing but 32. So option C is satisfying. So option C is the correct answer for MCQ number 5. So that is it for today's video. I hope so you have enjoyed this video. So let's meet with another interesting episode in the next week on next Saturday. Until then, take care. Bye bye.